let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to share with you guys how I made this simple wrap using flatbread. So guys, it's very simple. What I used was aubergine that I had the night before. So this is the aubergine here. There was one left over, so I thought, you know what, let me make a flatbread. And this is the aubergine here. You can grill it, fry it, it's entirely up to you, but this is what I've got. And I did warm up the flatbread. This one has a hole, but yeah, I'm gonna do 2 because I'm super hungry, absolutely famished. I'm absolutely hungry, so yeah, so we're gonna do 2. Okay, we're gonna have 2, so let's start with 1. I've got my aubergine, so I'm just gonna slice this in half because I've got 2 flatbreads. Okay, and then I'm gonna top it up with all my dried ingredients. So I've got my peppers, I've got cucumber, I've got tomatoes, and I've got mushrooms. Okay, so guys, if you don't like the mushrooms, you don't have to use them. If you don't like any of this stuff here, you don't have to use it. And I've also got some lettuce on the side, which we can add now. And this is it. If you are in the hurry and you want something quick to eat, this is very quick and simple. And all I'm adding is vegan mayo. If you're not if you don't eat egg, vegan mayo does the trick, or you can just have normal mayo. Okay guys, if you are enjoying the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel for all my returning ease. Thank you so much guys, I love and appreciate your support. Make sure that you shake the bottle so you can get all of it out. So I've got some sweet chili just to add a little bit of a kick to it. But for all the new subbies, guys, thank you so much for joining the family. So make sure to click that subscribe button if you have not done so already. But this is a quick lunch wrap, very simple to make. If you have any type of leftover, like, make a wrap, make something out of it. You know, it's quick and it's easy and you can enjoy it. Okay, so I'm gonna try. This is very full, so let's have a go at trying to wrapping it up. I don't know about you, but I always find it quite tricky to do a wrap. I never know which way to fold it. So but yeah, so I'm going to give it a go. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, I think this is the correct way to fold it. But if you have any tricks on how to fold a perfect wrap, let me know in the comment section so I can be like the perfect wrapper. But yeah guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. So let's get on, enjoy the rest of it. And yeah, look at it, it looks perfect. See, perfecto. I think the next one, I'm not going to make it as full because I still want to be able to wrap it. But yeah, it was all flaky around it, so don't worry about that. It's all looking absolutely perfect. So let's get on with putting that to the side and moving it on to the next one. I've already put my aubergine on here. All I need to do is add the rest of the ingredient like I did the first time. But what I will do this time around, I'm not going to make it as thick, as full as the previous one, because yeah, that one was very full. So let's add all our ingredient. Like I said, you can pick and choose whatever you want to add, make it unique, make it your own. This is a fun, simple recipe to do when you are in a hurry but you still want to eat healthy. Okay, so add the lettuce, not as much as before, and this will keep you full, filled with goodness. And like before, I'm gonna add the mayo and I will add the sauce as well. Okay, like I said guys, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure that you click on that subscribe button. And if you are returning, guys, I love and appreciate your support so much. Okay, let me know if you've ever tried an aubergine wrap, eggplant wrap. Let me know, and let me know if this is something that you would try in the future. But yeah, this is a quick vegetarian wrap, tasty, delicious. The leftover, guys, you can use it to make a different dish, or you can use it to make another wrap later on. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have some juice because I'm a bit parched. So yeah, I'm feeling thirsty, so let's eat. Okay.